FasterSuite Browser Link is a web extension that allows you to open documents directly from Clio, view documents for free on Pacer, and a whole lot more. Browser Link should be installed automatically when you install FasterSuite, but security on your PC may block the installation. Let's make sure it's installed. We'll use Google Chrome as an example. In our Chrome window, we can click the vertical ellipsis button to open a drop-down menu. We'll then click More Tools and Extensions to open the Chrome Extensions page. This page will show us all of the extensions that we currently have installed for Chrome. We're looking for FasterSuite Browser Link. If the slider is gray and to the left, that means that Browser Link is installed but not enabled. We can just click the slider to turn it on. If FasterSuite Browser Link doesn't appear on this page, then it was not installed and we'll have to do this manually. We can go to FasterSuite on the Faster ribbon, click the Settings wheel, select Cloud Drive on the left, and then Browser Link across the top. On this page, we'll click the link for our preferred internet browser to see the Browser Link page in that browser's web store. Browser Link is free, so we can just click the button to add the extension to our web browser.